This is the FEMA Substantial Damage Estimator Training Series. Welcome to Module 9, Using SDE Collection Results. In this module, we'll review approved methods for FEMA SDE data collection, the importance of adopting a community-wide approach, and preparing determination letters. When field inspections are complete, review all SDE reports to confirm that all required structures in the community were inspected. Under the NFIP, only structures in the SFHA are required to have substantial damage determinations. Communities may regulate to a larger area. To review from previous modules, substantial damage determinations are based on the ratio between the cost to repair a structure to pre-damaged conditions divided by the market value of the structure before it was damaged. If the ratio is greater than 50%, the structure is considered substantially damaged under the NFIP. Communities may set a lower threshold or track damage cumulatively over time. NFIP regulations limit the options for determining the costs of repair and building values. Repair costs can be determined from the computed damages from the SDE tool, a contractor's estimate, or the community's estimate. Building value can be determined from the computed actual cash value, also from the SDE tool, a professional market appraisal, or the adjusted tax-assessed value. Communities should adopt a collection approach that best suits their needs and that can be applied consistently throughout the entire community. If your community finds that the SDE data collected is acceptable, it may be adopted as the official determination for substantial damage for all properties in the community. If your community decides that the SDE data does not fully meet your needs, an alternate plan may be adopted. There are several different options allowed by the NFIP. Costs of repairs can be adopted from the SDE data, but another option for determining building value can be used. Another approach is to use the building value from the SDE data, but use another option for determining the cost of repairs. A third option is to adopt an approved alternate method for determining the cost of repairs and building value that better suit the needs of your community. These methods meet the NFIP requirements and provide the numerator and denominator for the substantial damage equation. For more information on determining the cost of repairs and building value, refer to Section 4.4 and 4.5 of the FEMA Substantial Improvement Substantial Damage Desk Reference. Communities may use any of the approved methods if they are adopted and applied consistently throughout the community and not limited to select properties. Once the community-wide approach is adopted and inspections completed, determination letters must be sent out as soon as possible. Determinations are not official until letters are sent. Focus on getting letters to properties that are substantially damaged first, since these owners are most impacted by the determinations. Communities must issue official determination letters to owners of all properties that have been determined to have substantial damage. These letters should include property information such as the owner's name and address, parcel number, whether it's a residential or non-residential property, and the substantial damage determination. The letter should explain the consequences of the determination, the permit requirements, and include contact information for the community official. The letter does not have to specify the precise percentage determination used, just that it's 50% or higher. Determination letters must also be sent to properties that have been determined not to have substantial damage, with property information, the official determination, consequences, and contact information for the community official. In Appendix C of the SDE User Manual and in Appendix E of the Substantial Improvement Substantial Damage Desk Reference, there are sample letters that can be used as the basis for your community's determination letters. In your determination letters, remind property owners that building requirements remain in effect after a disaster. These permits increase workload for community building officials, but it's necessary to avoid rebuilding in violation of adopted building codes, standards, and floodplain ordinances. If permits are not issued during the rebuilding, it can lead to severe consequences down the road, especially if your community participates in the NFIP. Thanks for watching. This training is one of a 10-part series. Please continue to Module 10.